it and going for more, cause we not there for snow. Me tell you so for set a legacy like never before. Tell my daughter, tell my son, so them will never see.
This man I feel get wet, too long in the dark, see the light there.
Yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you and you and you and you and you.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. Speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. You know, the man of pace. Obviously, give thanks to life, health and strength. Give thanks to another day, you know. Life are the greatest gift. Big up everybody on the platform. And I mean, yeah, man, thank you for your utmost support. If you're new to the platform, you don't know already, remember say, you know, just sub. If you're gonna subscribe, please make sure you hit that notification bell. See it? Yeah, man. So in this vlog, yeah, we have Masicka received Billboard Plaque for most album sale. You know what I mean? Reggae album. That's it. Good look. Big up Masicka. Big up the Crocodile family. Them. You see me? Yeah. I don't know. Vybz Kartel sign him contract, him agreement, him deal with Joe, where he revealed some pictures and video of him signing and Joe signing and him hugging, and they also released the date, the 31st of December, New Year's Eve, that, you know, man. My birthday month, that, you know. Is it? Talking about birthday, I have a new birthday song. It's Your Birthday, enjoy it. Out now on all digital platforms. Not really promote it the way, but we're gonna please go check it out. I'm gonna look a snippet of it scene. Yeah, man.
It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it. Live it to the fullest. And that if you do, yes, love your life, be grateful for it.
Yes, man, big up all of the birthday people out there, you know. You don't know. Happy birthday, wish you all many, many more, you know what I mean? Long life and prosperity. And if you know someone birthday, friends or family, you can share the song to them. Check it out. It's your birthday, you know what I mean? Enjoy it. When you check it out, when I listen to the words of another song, some nice positive words. That's it.
Yeah, today I heard it. I just wanna wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday. If I know in a good mood, it no catch up in a the worst way. Give thanks.
Yes, man, as I said, today your birthday, you know. I wish you happy birthday. And you find in a good mood, it no catch in a worse way. Give thanks. You see, make the most of today. Yes, indeed, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Real talk. But anyway, yes, man, this vlog is not about me, you know what I mean? It's about giving kudos and appraisal to Masicka. You know what I mean? Masicka get him Grammy plaque, you know what I mean? For most reggae album sales. And it's a good look that. Watch what I go on the screen.
It and going for more, cause we not there for snow. Me tell you so for set a legacy like never before. Tell my daughter, tell my son, so them will never see.
Yes, man, tell my daughter and my son so they will never see poor. You see me? So Masicka received Billboard plaque for most reggae album sale, you know, purchased, you know what I mean? And a good look that means the album is damn good, the song damn good. I know Masicka fan base large as well, you know what I mean? Yes, man, talented artist, proving himself. Take long to get the breakthrough, but for him get the breakthrough, him never look back. You see me? So big up Masicka. Keep on rising and thriving and thing, you know what I mean? Greatness and bust some youth if you can do it. Help some youth, you know, some artists. You see me? Male and female. You see it, so I go to let my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what y'all think. You see it? Yeah, man, big up Masicka. You see me? I say, yes, man, Billboard plaque. I know I can reach some levels there if me get the chance and the opportunity. You see it? Yes, man.
It and going for more, cause we not there for snow. Me tell you so for set a legacy like never before. Tell my daughter, tell my son, so them will never see.
So next now we have Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel, the real boss, one done. You see me I say? Finally reveal the date when the show is, because everyone was curious. Even Len, you know what I mean? And his son, you know? We're saying I hope I'm nowhere near Sting date. You see me? So the 31st around Sting, after Sting that, you know. I know Sting is a 3-day show. We don't know if I'm from the 26, 27, 28 or 24, 25, 26. We don't know about Sting is said to be a 3-day show, which is gonna be very interesting and something new. We'd love to see how it turn out, and we wish Sting all the best. You see me I say? I don't know, a 8-year show that. But Vybz Kartel now released that the show, Vybz Kartel show concert is the 31st, Christmas Eve. That is a good look, a good date that. But do you think it will affect the Sting same way? Because no people are going to say, hey, me nah got Sting. Well, me see enough people are comment already and I start say them nah save them money for Kartel show. Them nah got Sting. Them change their mind from going to Sting. Do you think it's going to affect Sting in any way, shape or form? The 31st, let me know in the comment section below still. But watch that look of footage of Vybz Kartel, you know, when reveal signing him and Joe and Hogan and all of them things there. Yes man, too long in the dark, lad, see the light there. Too long in the dark, see the light there. It's freedom, you see me? Freedom Street, God is the greatest. So Vybz Kartel and Joe that hugging after they signed the agreement for the show. So I want to see my viewers and subscribers, as you can see on the screen, see you, Jamaica, December the 31st. You see me I say? All of people all over the world have booked them ticket for flying already. People say them book them flight already and them Airbnb. I show them not gonna normal. This is gonna be history. You know, I feel like show you go bigger than Papi show, it go bigger than Alkaline show, it go, you know, bigger than Sting, good, bigger than Sunfest too. Let me know in the comment section below. Boy, I tell you that Vybz Kartel, confident. One thing we love with him, man confident in himself. Him not believe in a failure. And that's why I'm there road today, up to this day. You see me? But yeah man, you know, I wish Sting all the best and I wish Vybz Kartel all the best. You know what I mean? No one is perfect in life, everyone make mistake, but you know, I mean, well, me personally don't wish bad for nobody. You see me? Yeah. You see it, so. Vybz Kartel show. History, it's gonna be history. Yeah, man. God spare him life, but you know, I want to hope say everything work out well, and you know what I mean? I mean, also wish Sting the best also, because you know, reggae Sting, we can't turn back on reggae Sting. I'm beyond grateful because Sting changed enough youth life, enough artist career. Even Vybz Kartel himself, Sting took him to a wider dimension with the clash with him and Mavado. You know what I mean? So we can't turn back on reggae Sting. We have to respect Sting and see me. And Leng, no matter the difference where even Kartel them have or Joe them. I was still with Jamaica culture. We don't want to see it dead. You see me I say? Me would love to see him Kartel and Sting too. Wouldn't mind if Kartel could have worked Sting, yeah. That's the thing there. See my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. But let me know in the comment section below what Uno think still. You see it? You think Leng still got pre say, you know, they will do show in December. So enough people now go Sting. I know that. Cause me personally, me hear people say them nah but I got Sting. They might wait till Kartel date, you know. They might just go Jamaica and chill out and wait till the 31st. And spend New Year's at Jamaica. You see me? And thing is it. Even myself, if I can make it, man, I'm going, man. I'm going to build, man, because a long time I don't see my old lady, you know, and building for them. When it's on Jamaica son in my system, you know. But you know, every day I go and look the food and put the food on the table and provide for the kids them. And pay the bills them. You see it? Yes, man. So big up my fans them on the platform. Big up everybody, you know, Lion for the man of peace. I would say give thanks to life, health and strength. And please, my beg on the please go and check out the birthday song. You see me I say? It's a birthday, enjoy it. Life for the greatest gift. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Blessed love. Thank you for your support.
Make the most of today, yes indeed. Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Any negative people forward, I feel live. Let them know. No bad energy enough.